Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and for some reason, my luck has been incredible for the last week, except for a couple weeks ago I hurt my back, and I'm still dealing with that, but who cares? Let's just keep moving on forward. Darren ordered some dolls for me in September, or was it August? Anyway, it's been a while, and they never came, and they never came, and they never came. 3 months went by, he filed a claim, and we kind of thought, well, maybe the sender didn't send them, or the seller didn't send them because the price went up right after we put our order in, and we thought, you know, maybe he just didn't send it to give us our money back to sell them to someone else for more. That's happened more than once. Yesterday, I went to the mailbox. Guess what arrived? This was after I opened my mini brand toys from Phase Life, which I won, and I'm so thrilled with. So, in this package are Blythe dolls. Yes, I have been buying a lot of them. Yes, I am in love with them. Yes, they are addictive. Yes, I might still have some coming. Love them. With these, I got the face plates, and I thought it was just the front part, but indeed you get the whole head except for the scalps, and I'm going to be doing hopefully doing some face-ups. We'll see how that goes. There are 3 dolls in this package. I actually replaced these dolls. Not really replaced because I didn't get the same hair color. I got them a little different. And you might say, well, you did get a light pink hair color on one of your dolls. I remember opening it and you named her Valentine. Yep, I did. But it's not this pink color. This one is one I wanted because I want to display her next to my doll Pizzazz, because this doll with the light pink hair, oh, that's really thick and nice, has a sweet look about her, and my Pizzazz has a sassy look about her, and it's kind of like good and evil twin thing, or 2 sisters that are a lot alike and yet different. The sister who will and the sister who won't, and you can fill in the blank to the will and the won't any way you want. Anyway, this one reminds me of cotton candy. Valentine's hair is a different pink. I love this. Cotton Candy, probably going to be her name. And then there's this doll these were actually, when Darren ordered my first Blythe dolls, these were the second, third, and fourth dolls. That doesn't make sense though. Third, yeah, that's what it was. 3rd, 4th, and 5th Blythe dolls that he ordered. And they just didn't come and didn't come and didn't come and didn't come. Well, here they are, and I am feeling lucky. Look at this. I only have a couple with the shorter hair. I like dolls with long hair. Why would you not? I do have a couple that have the bobs, but I wanted hers a little shorter. She has the same color hair as my doll Nova, who has a little space theme about her. I don't have a name for this doll yet. Like I said, I thought she wasn't coming. And then there's this one, and this one does have a name, and she is going to be part of my Dolls of the Season line that I'm doing, which is really just another excuse to buy more Blythe dolls. Because you just can't get enough of these dolls. And they don't take up as much room as my 36 to 38 inch Barbies do. I want to keep all this. I don't know why, but I keep it all. This doll's name is going to be Miss Independence. And yes, 4th of July. Oh, and her eyes are already on blue, which is, of course, where I would want them for 4th of July or Independence Day. So we'll get her an outfit made. Wow, I think her hair is thicker than the blonde. Look at that. I know people that don't have hair this thick. This is really nice hair. Okay, they are not as tight in the knees, but the hips are very tight. The arms are very tight. The waist is good on this one. Let's look at this one. Yep, good tight hips. Knees aren't as tight as the last two that came, but they're tight. They're good. And let's look at this little cutie. Oh yeah, she's got the same thing. Knees are, I mean, they're not loose, but they're not as tight as the last two dolls. Okay, here are my 3 pink-haired girls. As you can see, their hair is a little different. But look at the one in the middle, Pizzazz. Look at the expression on her face, and then look at the other two. She's that girl in your group that pushes things. She's the one that opens her mouth and says things she probably shouldn't. She's the one that sticks up for everybody. Yeah, that girl was me. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment. Let me know if you have fallen into the Blythe rabbit hole. Oh, it's deep and it's wide. And please subscribe.